Tippmann Ordnance's Pirate Pistol. This is a 380 pump action gun. 6 in the magazine there, 1 in the pipe. Really cool design, hammer fired. So we rack it, pull that trigger. Now what's really cool about this, I can pin that trigger to the rear. I'm gonna do it slow so you can see it. And a bang fire on there so we can just keep racking and stacking on this guy. Very cool design. Kind of old meets new, the Pirate Pistol by Tippmann in the 380. Something you guys would like to see and your safes at home. Put it down in the comments below. Let us know.